In today's busy world, managing our time is important, but many people overlook something even more powerful: managing their energy. Let's understand the difference between time management and energy management. What is time management? Time management means organizing your hours and minutes well. It is about planning your day, making to-do lists, setting deadlines, and trying to finish tasks within a set time. People use calendars, alarms, and schedules to manage their time. Time management helps you avoid wasting time and keeps you on track to meet your goals. But sometimes, even if you manage your time perfectly, you might still feel tired or unproductive. What is energy management? Energy management is about understanding and controlling your physical, mental, and emotional energy. It focuses on how you feel during the day and how much energy you have for different tasks. Energy comes from good sleep, healthy food, exercise, breaks, and managing stress. When you have high energy, you work better and faster. When your energy is low, even simple tasks feel hard. Why energy management is important. Time is fixed. Everyone has 24 hours in a day, but energy changes. You might feel energetic in the morning and tired in the afternoon, or you may feel focused at some times and distracted at others. Managing energy means you do important or difficult tasks when you have the most energy. It means taking breaks to recharge instead of pushing yourself until burnout. How to manage your energy. Know your peak energy times. Notice when you feel most awake and focused. Use that time for tasks that need the most brain power. Take breaks. Short breaks help refresh your mind and body. Try working for 50 minutes and resting for 10 minutes. Eat healthy and stay hydrated. Good nutrition gives your body fuel. Drinking water helps you stay alert. Get enough sleep. Sleep restores energy. Without enough sleep, your productivity falls. Exercise regularly. Movement boosts your energy and reduces stress. Manage stress. Stress drains energy. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or any activity that relaxes you. Combining time and energy management. The best way to be productive is to combine both. Use time management tools like calendars and to-do lists, but schedule tasks based on your energy levels. For example, plan difficult work when you have high energy and save easy or routine tasks for low energy times. Summary: time management helps organize your day. Energy management helps you work better by using your energy wisely. Energy changes throughout the day. Time does not. Managing energy can make time management more effective. Healthy habits improve your energy and productivity. By focusing on energy as well as time, you can work smarter, feel better, and achieve more.